up, Savvy expats? Today, we are getting an inside look into a luxury dwelling within what's considered the next BGC. So, if you're an investor who missed out on the exponential growth of prestigious cities like Makati or BGC, this is your next opportunity to get the best of both business districts within one development. That said, let's tour your very own private residence within the hottest up-and-coming development, Arca South. Alright, and before we enter into your unit, allow me to introduce you to your Ayala Land Premier Realtor, Aaron.
Good afternoon, Savvy expats. I'm Aaron from Ayala Land Premier. Welcome to our Garden Park Residence showroom. You can reach me through aarongarden.alp@gmail.com.
And so whether you want to check out this residences here at Garden Courts in Arca South, or you're looking for any other Ayala Land Premier development, then Aaron is going to be your go-to guy, and I'll leave all of his contact details in the description down below. Now, a few key details that are very imperative for us to mention. Essentially, Arca South is a 74-hectare master plan development purely done by Ayala Land Premier. And so, what does this mean? In short, Arca South is the highest end mid-rise done by the most premium tier of Ayala Land, which is Ayala Land Premier. Now, with that does of course come premium prices. In the case of this unit, it's a 2-bedroom, 3-bathroom unit, which spaciously affords you 138 square meters or approximately 1,500 square feet of space. And for that, this pre-selling condo, which will be turned over in 2025 and in 2026, is roughly going for 48 million pesos, or in dollars, $960,000. Now, I know it may seem pricey, but other than it being a premium development, you're especially paying for the amenities. Within this community, you conveniently have access to a Landers, a Caltex gas station, a Healthway hospital, a diversity of restaurants, and several malls with an abundance of retail stores. Now, we'll talk a little bit more with Aaron in regards to the payment terms of this condo, but as for now, let's move forward with the tour. Now, off the bat, especially for a Philippine condo, we're greeted with quite a spacious living room. It's important to note that this development really focuses on the exclusivity and privacy of its residents. With that being said, there's roughly 22 floors for each building at Arca South, with there being 4 floors per unit. This affords you privacy and a sense of solitude in your home. So as you can see, upon entry, you'd open up to your spacious living room behind me and the kitchen on your left-hand side. This space is sufficient enough to furnish your 6-person dining table here. And the beauty of this is that your household wouldn't be separated like most large-scale homes. And so whether you're cooking, you're eating, or just enjoying a movie here on the couch within the living room, this entire area is well connected. Walking into your kitchen, we find a relatively tidy yet quality space. And so the first thing that we have to acknowledge in the kitchen are these quartz countertops. If there's one thing that Ayala doesn't skip on, it's the quality finishes. A few other key details within this kitchen is the sink and faucet. And across from your sink and faucet in the kitchen, here we have your Smeg freestanding range hood, very high quality stainless steel, as well as your backsplash to minimize mess while cooking. Now, bear in mind this is a model unit, so this refrigerator wouldn't come along, but what will come along with your unit is this stovetop and oven set. Lastly, before we head into your living room, a small thing that we'll notice here are these soft close cabinets. Small details like these really speak for itself. All right, into the living room we go. All right, moving across from the kitchen into your living room, as mentioned, you can furnish your 6-person dining table here. And another thing is throughout this entire condo, you have these porcelain tiles. And walking past this couch here on my right-hand side, we find these large windows expanding across the entire living room. With the double pane glass of these windows, you get an abundance of natural light coming in from the courtyard of Garden Courts, and also these windows keep your unit from heating up and getting too hot inside. And also, we of course have to mention that these windows were specifically engineered so that the noise from the outside wouldn't be hearable from the inside. Additionally, all 2 bedrooms come with its very own balcony, affording you a wonderful place to have your morning coffee. Moving forward, this model unit gives you a clear idea of how to potentially furnish your living room. For instance, you may furnish your couch right here, along with a nice little coffee table set, maybe even some shelving space to put some of your books or pictures, and then of course your television set at the very end. And of course, what comes along with every 2-bedroom unit at Garden Courts are these 2 split type air conditioning units as well. Now, while it can't be seen within this particular model unit, within this hallway across from the living room, you'd find your powder room as well as your maid's quarters. Yes, that's right. This also includes a maid's quarters, and that excludes the other 2 bedrooms that you have. Speaking of, we walk past the living room, and within this hallway, you would find your secondary bedroom, or bedroom 1 of 2. Let's head inside and let me show you what this bedroom has to offer. So as you can see, walking into your bedroom, if you're moving in with a family, this would be the perfect bedroom to fit 2 children. Why? As you can see, there's ample space to fit 2 twin-size beds. And then moving on from that side of the room, you can also see that on either side of the bed, you can also put desk space to work as well. And so what also comes with this bedroom is its own AC unit, as well as engineered wood flooring and your wardrobe. And also for inspiration, you could add workspace for your children on either side of the bedroom, being that Arca South is only 5.5 kilometers from BGC, where they have a lot of international schools. For this unit in particular, they also furnished it with its own art decor. Now, heading outside of your secondary bedroom, we walk through this hallway, and behind me, straight ahead, is the master bedroom, and to my left is the bathroom. So walking into your bathroom, a few things we'll notice is that it is small, but very modern with quality material. For one, we have this porcelain flooring here, and also the mirror and sink with these quartz countertops, as well as this toilet right over here, which of course comes with a bidet. Now, an absolutely gorgeous part about your bathroom, as you can see, walk inside here, and there's actually quite a bit of room for your stand-up shower. Something you'll notice is that you have these 10-foot ceilings with enough space to put your rainfall shower and hose. Very nice bathroom, and actually a lot of space. Now, walking outside of your bathroom, let's head inside your master bedroom. Alright, so walking into your master bedroom, we find a very spacious area. In fact, spacious enough to fit its own queen-size bed. And as you can see, you could also potentially furnish this bedroom with 2 lampstands on either side of the bed. And across from your queen-size bed, you could also put your TV. Now, a few things that comes with this unit is 1 AC, engineered wooden flooring, and then when you head into your bathroom, as you can see down this walkway right here, we find your own little walk-in closet area. Now, as you walk through your walk-in closet, you find ample wardrobe space, which leads you into the master ensuite bathroom. Again, we find the porcelain tiles, quartz, the sink, ambient lighting under this large mirror, and then open up to your shower. Once again, we find very tall ceilings with the large rain head, hose, and overall a lot of space. This also gives you provision for your toiletries and a towel rack. And so as we close off on this counter tour, again, a few pertinent details that we have. This unit is 140 square meters or 1,500 square feet, and that is for 48 million pesos or $960,000. Now, while it does sound like a hefty price, what you're really paying for here in Arca South is the convenience of having retail stores, restaurants, and malls just within your fingertips. Again, beautiful unit, very spacious, and it is the highest end development by Ayala Land Premier. Now let's talk with Aaron about the payment details of this condo. All right, and so as we close, a few key questions I have, Aaron, for the viewers. What are the payment terms like for this condo?
Firstly, we have to do 200,000 deposit for our reservation fee, and then we offer various payment methods. Firstly, we have cash, where we deposit 95%, and then that will give us 12% discount, and the lump sum will be paid upon turnover.
And how about the second option?
The second option is a bit lighter. We pay 50% upon the first payment, and then the next 30% will be spread into 3 years. That's around 36 months. Then the lump sum upon turnover is around 20%, and that will give us a 7% discount.
And the third option?
And the last option is 10%, which is a very lighter one, 10% upon the first payment, then 80% spread into 3 years, and then the lump sum upon turnover is 10%, which gives you 2% discount.
All right, Aaron, and my last question is, what are the amenities like here at Garden Courts?
So this is something really striking about the development. Coming from the name itself, Garden Court Residences, all the amenities and all the walkways can be located in one big courtyard at the center of all the buildings. It is a 6,005 square meter courtyard. It contains a pool, 2 lawns, and also within the amenities, you can also find a bi-level gym, a sky gym with a 5th to 6th floor.
Wow. And so there you have it. Those are the payment terms and the amenities here at Garden Courts Residences. Like I said, this is a premium development. So if you want to get a hold of this unit and also other units around Manila and outside of Manila by Ayala and Premier, your go-to guy here is Aaron. I'll leave all of his contact information in the description down below. And so thank you all for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one. God bless.